Hey everyone, welcome back to Rose's Raw Reality, where it is Christmas and my dog is sitting on me. We are celebrating Christmas, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, whatever the heck you celebrate, covering my grounds on holidays. Right here under the tree, we have my new A7C, which my dog is going to be joining me in opening this because, well, I stole his chair and he's refusing to give it up. So I'm upgrading my studio and my mom got me lights. Check out that unboxing next. And I got new mics. And of course, for Christmas, I decided to get myself a camera. I got two boxes right here. And one of them is a battery and one of them is camera. And believe it or not, the camera is in the small box and the big box is one battery. So we're gonna wait on this one and open the main part of the show, the camera. Let's open this up Christmas style. So we got a bunch of boring paperwork at top. Let's get to the fun part, the camera and stuff. Now I got the camera with the kit lens. So we got this very sleek, sexy shoulder strap for the camera. It says Sony A7C. Let's see. This is kind of like really packed weird. It's like multiple compartments in here. We got the plug, charging brick, which I have to say looks kind of cheap, just saying. So next, the camera. Ba-bam. Sexy and sleek, and it is a full frame compact camera. I don't know why I'm tapping the top of this, but I am. It has a flip screen, so you can look at yourself all day long. So if you're a narcissist, this is perfect for you. But it also works if you're, you know, a vlogger, although they're probably the same thing, to be honest. So now that we got the camera out, let's put this sexy shoulder strap on. Wait, what is that? You guys hear that? Like, can you hear that? It's so loud. If you are a vlogger and you're like moving around, that would be very annoying. Or is something broken there? No, I'm pretty positive it's just this. So let's just put these straps on real quick. And now we are ready to take some pictures. Oh wait, no. Oh, we haven't even gotten to like putting power or anything in this. So let's continue on. There's something under here. USB-C charging cable. Ba-bam. So we got a USB-C charging cable, which is awesome because my GoPros and like my MacBook Pro and everything like that all are USB-C. So that's actually really helpful. Be more helpful if this side was USB-C too though. Now to the lens. So let's take this baby out. So this is a full frame compact lens thing. So let's just pop that in there. Now we need a battery. Useless box doesn't have my battery in it. So for $1 more than just the battery, I got a charger with a battery. And it's only $1 more than just getting the battery. So why not get that and then have a charger that you can charge more than one battery and do it while you're shooting so you can always have batteries ready. Let's put the battery in there. Which way does it go? There we go. Oh yeah, and I like that this locks it in place. Like there are some locks on there and you can just pop this stuff open. There's a microphone thing and a headphone thing and an HDMI and a USB-C and the SD card. I mean, this is packed with stuff. So let's do this. Are you on? Oh, it's on. Okay. Apparently I need to turn out the lens. Ooh, that is loud. Okay, I'm gonna like record that sound right now because this is like crazy loud. So now that we got the camera ready and we're good to go, I think it's time to take it out in the world, so I will see you in a flash. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can see when I post my review. I'm going to be taking this camera out into the world and taking some photos and videos. And with that said, just to clarify, this is Christmas morning, hence the onesie, in case anyone is really confused by this video. Just wanted to put that in there somewhere, so don't be scared or confused. Bye-bye!